G'day, it's Jono from Oztrack again. Just here with a Series 1 VE clutch. I have a few issues with them, which you may or may not know about, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to sort of pull one apart and let you actually see what we're talking about. And yeah, so this one's a stuffed clutch. What normally happens here when this is all bolted down, your slave cylinder, which is just here, I'll try not to get too dirty. While you're there, when you put your foot on the clutch, that's going to push these springs here, which releases the pressure off the plate, which basically disengages the engine from the gearbox. Now, on these Series 1s, they have a single mass flywheel, but this one here is absolutely just really worn out. There's not much material left on this plate here. You can see it's very worn out. And same as the flywheel. Is worn out. So sort of the signs of a failing clutch will be typically a slipping clutch. So that's when you go to accelerate. You'll notice that basically the revs are going and you're not really going anywhere. So that's one sign, and that's normally this is wearing out, or the spring's wearing out, or a number of things. With these VE Series 1, this has a pretty big design flaw, which they change when they go to Series 2. And what happens is when you go to accelerate with medium to high sort of power output, the pedal will sort of stick to the floor or stick halfway, and you may have to pull it up manually or wait a while, back off the throttle, and that's a sign basically that your clutch is pretty soon going to need a new system put into it. For these, we recommend the Mantic. We put in a stage 2 clutch in most of the cars. That'll handle. It dries very similar to a standard clutch, but it'll also then give you a higher torque capacity for any upgrades you do in the future. So it's a good value for money sort of thing. You do it only when you need to, but once you need to, you might as well do it properly. And when you do that kit, you get a brand new flywheel, brand new plate, new cover, new slave, new fluid, so everything's done properly, and we do that all in-house, and we normally need the car for about a day. So hope you learn a little bit.